Hey everybody, welcome back. I want to do a real short video here, talk about fuel, why I'm always cleaning carburetors. I have found that about 80 to 85% of all the problems with the carburetors are due to fuel. This right here is fuel that has been sitting in a gas can for a year. This is regular fuel with ethanol. Let me change the camera angle here a little bit. Can you see that distinct line? This line right here, that's water. Ethanol is alcohol, and it removes moisture from the air and it deposits it in fuel. Now let's take a little bit of a look down here. Look at the bottom edge of the fuel there. Let me get this light away from here real quick. Can you see that brown sludge? That's the gel that is produced by ethanol. This is ethanol-free fuel. There is no water. This fuel right here is a year old. I just took it out of my generator. My generator ran fine, started right up. Now I'm burning this stuff up right here in my lawnmower. This stuff, nasty. Gonna open up a carburetor here real quick and show you what's going on. This is a carburetor out of a Honda. It's in pretty good shape. Let me see if I can get a small screwdriver and get in there and get that jet out. I'm unscrewing the jet from here right now. Every once in a while they get stuck, so we put something in here to catch the threads. There we go. I don't know if you can see in there or not. I'm looking right there. Let's put the light behind it and see if we can see through it. This one we can, but do you see how tiny that hole is? It is tiny. I use torch tip cleaners to clean my jets out. And we're probably looking at something not even that big. So what happens is your water molecules are larger than your fuel. They don't atomize the same. They don't vaporize the same. Your engine won't run on water. And then if you look and you see all that gel junk there in the bottom, all right inside there, that'll clog your jets up in a heartbeat. This is why I clean carburetors. All that debris that's in there, it'll take all of this, it'll take the aluminum, it will corrode it, it'll destroy your carburetors. Don't leave the crap in there. If your gas is more than 30 days old, get rid of it. That fuel came out of this lawnmower. It's given to me by a friend. All I did was pour it off the top. I think we'll pull the carb on this thing and see what is going on with it. Hold on just a minute. Okay, let's take this carburetor up on the bench and take a look at it. Alright. It's all plastic, so we're going to be real careful. These are 7mm bolts on this. As I go knocking the camera around, sorry about that. Let's see if we can gently pry this apart now. Let me grab a bottle to pour all that in so we can see what inside the carburetor looked like. So in retrospect, this is what came out of that mower. This is what came out of the carburetor. That's water. Water's not going to burn. If your gas is sitting in your tank or in your machine more than 30 days, get rid of it. Put fresh gas in it. Go to the gas station, get some fresh gas, put in it. Anything over 30 days and it does this. Collects water, starts to varnish, turns into gel, collects all that debris and stuff. Fuel tank on that lawnmower had a fine mesh screen in it. So that's all I got to say on this. Ethanol, it's not good on small engines. If you can find it anywhere, get ethanol free. That stuff's a year old. I had it sitting in my generator for a year. I just switched it out. Now I'm using my lawnmowers. Okay, that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Till the next one. See you later.